EMEA worked very hard and very diligently with any of the vendors that we were using to ensure we got the quality as good as we could. And, we tried to maintain the quality, or the quantity was frequently a challenge, or would involve relationships with multiple vendors and a lot of complexity.
I'm speaking to feedback from sales ops. They're absolutely desperate for quality phone numbers. And I know anecdotally that's where they have their success.
We were just impressed with the coverage. There's just so many more mobile numbers available in Cognism versus other platforms.
You've got quite a strength in the UK data and in European territories.
Add it up.
The variety of information for EMEA and from some of that geography was just way above and beyond the tools that I looked at.
Okay, all right.
It was the European aspect, but it was also law enforcement. You guys have a decent cross-section of law enforcement stuff too.